हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर नौशीन इलियास जो एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं। बेसिकली इस वर्कशॉप में आए और इनसे हम बात करेंगे कि बेसिकली जो वर्कशॉप थी इसका एक पर्पस भी बताएंगे और दूसरा ये कि इससे कल्चर जो सेक्टर है उसको क्या फ़ायदा होगा। जी साहब।
Today we are here in a workshop organized by the CABI that is about the organic initiatives, and this is a validation workshop where we are talking about where we are discussing the organic standards. As we all know that the organic agriculture is getting a lot of importance these days. We know it's environment friendly, it's safe, it's healthy. So there is a growing concern in the farmers, and people are more and more moving towards the organic agriculture. But in order to reach the international markets, we need to formulate some standards, and this is what we are doing over here in this workshop, so that we should not only educate and implement those standards in our farmer also, but it is also important that with this the farmer would have the ability that his products would get a better reach in the international market. So this workshop is going to be a milestone for the organic agriculture in Pakistan, and the standards and the procedures which are being set today, they will be a set mark for promoting the organic agriculture in Pakistan. So I hope so by the end of the day, the farmer in our country would be the ultimate benefit of this workshop.